Guys, in this video, let's discuss about set category data types in Python. Set category data types. Set category contains set data type and frozen set. Okay, and key points to remember. And there are some key points. Set is mutable in nature. Set is mutable in nature. It accepts heterogeneous elements. There is no order. There is no order. Indexing is not allowed. It is global or shrinkable in nature. So these are the key points for the set data type to remember. Let's discuss about set data type first. Then we can move to frozen set. So in this set data type, there are some defined functions available. So what are the predefined functions that are there in this set data type? First one is add function. Second one remove, and third one discard. Fourth one copy. Fifth one pop off. Sixth one is disjoint. Seventh one is um, union of. Eighth one is interception. Ninth one is subset of. Tenth one is superset of. Difference of. And 12th one is symmetric underscore difference of. So these are the predefined inbuilt functions which we have in Python. So let's discuss about each one of them. Okay, I'm opening my CMD command prompt and just I'm typing here Python. So first let's create set category data type. So how to create it? In the curly braces we mention set data type. So 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50 comma 60. Okay, so print s1 comma type of s1 So now you can see that the class is set. So the data type is set. So here the append will not work to add elements to this set. So here append means adding elements to the end. So there is no order here. So append will not work. In the place of append we use add to add elements. S1 dot add. For suppose 70 element I want to add. So enter. So the element was added. Again if you type print S1 comma type of S1, the output will be shown you. Okay, all the elements that are present in the set S1. Okay, so in the similar way we can um, and one more thing here. Okay, copy. Okay, now similarly we can remove the elements from this set also. So S1 dot remove, I am removing the element 10 here, 10 from the set. So the element was removed. Again if I type print S1 comma type of S1, the 10th element was removed. Okay, so if I type S1 dot remove 200, 200 is not there in the set data type, but if I mention here 200 with the help of remove function, so what type of error do we get here? We get a value key or else this key error is also called as value error or key error we will get. Okay, so in the same way if I mention in the place of remove this time discard of 115, 115 is also not there. This element is also not there in this set, so this time I don't get any error. So these both the discard and remove both useful for removing the elements in the set category data type, but it will not throw you any error if you use a discard. By using discard also you can remove the elements. For suppose I want to remove the element 60. Now let's check whether the element was removed or not. Again I am printing s1 comma type of s1. So let's check it. So 60 element now it was removed and the remaining elements were shown. Okay, remaining elements are shown. So now you understand about the discard and the remove function. I think these both are inbuilt functions. Now what I am going to do is s1 dot pop off, s1 dot pop off. See, if we use pop function, we cannot guarantee which element will be removed because there is no order, right? So when there is no order, we cannot give guarantee that the element ending element will be removed or else the starting element will be removed. We cannot give guarantee. Randomly, the element gets picked up and it will be removed. So observe the output now. So see, the 50 element got removed. So pop, discard, remove, either in any of these three you can use it. Okay, and here we mention the specific value in the discard and remove, but in the pop, if I type any value here, like let me remove 70. See, set dot pop function takes no arguments. It will not take any argument. Okay, so I think you understand the difference. uh, okay, so next let's move to mm, yeah, copy. So copy, it will do actually shallow copy. Copy function will do shallow copy. Yeah, okay, let me write down here. it will do shallow copy. So it means that the elements only gets copied. It means that only it means that the elements will only get copied, but the id will remain same. id will remain same. id will remain same. Okay, so this copy will do shallow copy. So id will remain same, but the um, no, no, id will change, sorry. Sorry for the confusion. Id will also change if I do shallow copy. For suppose s1 is equals to s1 is equals to if I mention like this, s2 dot copy of s1. Let's implement here. S1 equals to s2 dot copy of s1. Okay, s2 is not defined. Acha. So we have not created s2. Let's create one s2 set also. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5. So now s2 is equals to uh, s2 dot copy of s1. I think I don't need to mention this one. Acha, okay, okay. Here we need to mention set dot copy. S2 is equals to set dot copy. So now the elements have been copied. Now let's check uh, the output for s1. So for s2 also, now I am going to uh, and I will give the ID also, ID of s1 also. So now you can observe the ID of s1 is 568 at the end. And let me check the s2 also. It will also get changed because only the elements will be uh, copied, and the id will be changed with for both the variables, okay, or else identifiers anything. So now you can see for the s2 it is showing different id, and for the s1 it is also showing different id. So when the id will remain same means when we do deep copy. When I do deep copy, then the id will be same, okay, will be same. So let's do deep copy once. So s2 equals to s1. uh, okay, now the ids will be similar, okay, both the ids will be same. Before that, let me add elements also. S2, mm, let me add 11. I think 11 is not there in S2. Um, yes, in S2 11 is not there. So I'm adding 11. In S1 also I'm adding one more element, 12. 12 is also not there in S1. So now I am doing deep copy. S2 equals to S1. So if I type if I check the IDs for both the identifiers S1 and S2, now check S1 first, and let's check for S2 also. Uh, See now, both the IDs are same, but here it was we have done here shallow copy, but here we have done deep copy. That's the reason both the IDs remain same. That is the difference. And as we discussed as we discussed, set is mutable in nature. It means that we can make changes to the set. Okay, and the id remains same here, and it accepts heterogeneous values. Let's pass some other values also. So s3, this time s3 set of 10 comma 20.5 comma true comma Django, like let me take Django. Okay, now uh, let me take a complex data type also, 20j. Okay, so different values I am passing here. So one int value is there, one float value is there, one bool value, and one string value, and one complex value. Let me take like Python also. Okay, so uh, oh, we need to mention curly braces. Done. So now print s3 comma type of s3. We don't get any error, I think so. So we are getting the output. We are getting the output. So by this we understand it accepts heterogeneous values also. But if you see the order, if you see the order, there is no order actually. So the elements, uh, the output, the whatever we got the output, there is no order in these elements. Okay, so indexing is also not allowed. So let's try to do indexing also. S3 of 0. See, we don't get any output. We get the error called type error. We are getting the error called type error. Okay, and I cannot. Let's try -1. There is a positive indexing and as well as negative indexing in Python, as we all know. So even I pass -1, we get the same error. Even I cannot ins cannot, by using indexing I cannot add elements also. For suppose in the place of when there is no order, obviously there will be no indexing. So if I mention like this, still I will get the error. I hope you understand. So it is growable in nature. Yes, it is growable in nature. Now we have discussed about add. I have shown you about remove and discard and copy and deep copy also. I have shown you. And next coming to the yeah, pop also we have done. And next function is inbuilt function is disjoint. Okay, what is disjoint? What it will do? Let's see. Is disjoint. Okay, is disjoint function. Okay, is disjoint of. Now is disjoint means for suppose s1 equals to, I am passing some values 10 comma 20 comma, so let me 10 comma 30 comma 40, and s2 equals to if I pass like 10 comma 20, and s3 equals to s3 equals to for suppose I am mentioning here the values 11 comma 12 comma 13 comma 14. Okay, now is disjoint, how this will work means, see, if any one element matches with other element, for suppose if I write like this, s1 equals to s1 dot is disjoint of s2. If I mention like this, see, it will be give you output either true, or it will give you the output as false only, boolean values. So it will return false, or it should return true. So at least one element uh, matches with the other set, uh, other set. Okay, in this s2 set, data type matched one, if at least one element matched with S1, S2 is having two elements and S1 is also having four elements. So at least one element matches, it will give you um, false. Okay, because it is not disjoint. Disjoint means the elements should not be in this set, and this set S3 and S1 should not, are not matching here, right? So elements should not match. So let's implement this here. You will understand. S1 equals to uh, 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50, and S2 equals to uh, 10 comma 20. Only I am taking two elements, and S3 equals to, I am taking like 11 comma 25 comma 35 comma 45. So S3 is not matching with S2 and S1 also. So okay, now S1 dot disjoint of S2, S2, it should, it should returns false. It will return false because it will return false. Okay, uh, what happened? Acha, disjoint set of tribute. Sorry, it is disjoint. Okay, see, you see, it is returning me false because the elements are matching with each other, S1 and S2. If I mention S1 dot disjoint is disjoint, again I am going to get, okay, S1 dot is disjoint of S3. Now it will show you it's true because the elements are not matching between S3 set and S1 set. Both the sets have different objects. Okay, so now see, now it is showing us true. So this is how the this inbuilt disjoint function will work. And next, coming to the let's discuss about next thing, union. Okay, how union function will work. So same example, let's take for suppose S1 is having four elements, S2 is having two elements. Now union means it will here 1020 and here 1020, both the sets having same union means here see, S2 is having only two elements and S1 is having four elements. The output will be shown as 10 20 30 40. Okay, so union means it will take all the elements from S1 and S2 and gives you the elements. Okay, total elements. Let's implement here. So S1 dot union of S2 thing. See, we are getting 50 20 40 and 30. If I mention S2 dot add, S2 dot add for suppose like 40, no, okay, again I'm passing duplicate value 40 and type of S2, type of S2. Okay, see, 40 element was added, but again I'm running the command union of S2. What will be the output? See, this time also, even I have passed the duplicate two times. I have okay, let me see, in this S2 also I am having 40, here also I am having, S1 is also having element 40, but output only once, 40 is coming only once. Okay, So this is how the union function will work. So next, coming to the next function, that is interception. Yeah, this one, interception. Let's discuss about this interception. Yeah, so it will union, like it will consider mm, all the unique elements, and it will take all the unique elements from both the sets, from both the sets, and gives you the output, right? So next, coming to the interception. uh, let's interception of. Okay, now this interception will work. uh, the common elements will be shown. So 1020 will be output. So here the common elements will be shown as output. Okay, so the common elements will get picked up. So let's do it practically. S2 dot interception of S1. uh, Sorry, it's not interception, it is intersection. My bad. Okay, let's correct here also. See, 40, 10, 20 is the output which we got. So why? Because the common elements in the S2 also we are having same elements, and S1 is also having 10, 20, 40. Here also 10, 20, 40 is there. So intercepted. These elements, whatever the elements will intercepted with other set. So those elements will be shown as a output. Okay. So I hope you got the point. So let's move to the next function in the next predefined function, that is subset. Yeah, is subset. Okay, so is subset means, for suppose here, let's take this example only here also. Okay, copy. uh, I think only subset of. So now observe. So subset, if I is, suppose I write like I'll give you like ML is a subset of AI or else. Okay, so is it true or false? Yes, it's true, right? So similarly, like deep learning is a subset of AI. Okay, so this is also true, but ML, but AI is not subset, right? If I write AI is subset of a subset of ML, then it will be obviously false. Okay, so same thing work in here also. So if I write like S2 subset of S1 means this will be true. Okay, uh, okay, S2 subset of S1. We think this one is true, and S1 dot subset of S2, it will be false. Okay, let's try this one. S2 dot subset of S1. Uh, we need to mention is subset. Okay, see, it is showing us true. S2 is subset of S1. Yes, obviously S2. Let's see here. Forgot to add is here also is. So obviously S2 is subset of S1 because S2 is having the elements which are there in S1. So but S1 is not subset of S2. Okay. So same S1 is not. If I mention like S1 dot is subset of S2, then obviously it will show you false. Okay. This is how the subset will work. So next in predefined function is mm, we have seen about is disjoint, union, interception, is subset. Now is superset. Okay, this one. Well, so next coming to the superset is superset of superset of. So same example. Let's take go with the same example. Okay. Now S1 is superset for S2, but S2 is not superset for S1, right? So if I mention like this S1 dot is super is superset of S2, then it will be obviously true. S2 dot is superset of S1, it will be false. Okay, let's do this. S1 dot is superset of S2. Yes, it's true. And S2 similarly is superset of not S1. Okay, false. It is showing us false. So this is how it works. Next coming to the difference. Yeah, this one. So mm, difference. Now let's discuss about difference. So S3, I'm taking one more identifier. S3 is equals to S1 dot difference of S2. If I mention like this, okay, difference. Okay, S2 means now what happens here? So the S2 elements will be removed, and here also in the S1 10, 20, 30 will be removed. The output will be only 40. Okay, so here the 40 will be the output. My guess is right, I think. So let's do it. So S3 is equals to, okay, let me take S4. I think S3 is already there. So let me remove this one. Dot difference of S1. Now print S4 comma type of S4. See, it is class set. All right. I think I want to mention. Acha, why this is happening? Okay, not happening. there is no output. So if I mention like this s1, okay, s2, then 50 comma 30. Why we are getting 50 comma 30? Did we add any values here previously? Okay, okay, let me do one thing, or else let's create s1 equals to 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 50, and s2 equals to 10 comma 20. Okay, only two values, two elements. So now s2 dot difference of s1. So now what happens? Okay, let me write like this. It will show me area s1. Let me write s1, and here I am going to write s2. So what happens? The s2 total elements, whatever the elements are there in s2, it will be gone, and the output will be the common elements from the s1 and s2 will be removed, and the output will be 30, 40, and 50. I guess. See, 30 comma 40 comma 50. Okay, see, the output is 30 comma 50 comma 40. Okay, so now I think you understood about difference, predefined function. Now there is a symmetric difference also. So if I mention s3 equals to s3 equals to uh, yes, s1 dot symmetric symmetric symmetric, I think, symmetric underscore difference of s2, then what will happen here? The common elements in s1 and s2 will be mm, removed, and here also the symmetric element, sorry, okay, I think the common it will be symmetric. I think the I okay, okay, we need to mention symmetric difference, right? So this time print s3 comma type of s3. See, again I'm getting 50, 40, 30. Okay, in the symmetric difference also, the common elements were both the here what happens means, if s2 is having one more other element like 45, so 45 will be also printed, and the common elements in both the set will be removed. Okay, so this is how these are the predefined functions which we have in this set data type. I hope you understand the concept, and thank you for watching my video. In the next video we discuss about the frozen set. So till then, see you. Bye bye. Thank you.